Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now, if you're here, you're probably interested in purchasing an electric scooter. Electric scooters are a great way to get around, especially to and from work, without spending a ton of money on gas or public transport. But in terms of electric scooters, there are a ton of options to choose from, and it can be tricky to know which is right for you in your particular situation. Don't worry, we've done a ton of research, and today we're going to be going through some of our favorite electric scooters and breaking down some of the benefits and features of each to see which might be right for you in your particular situation. Now, as always, I will leave links to each of these products in the description below, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested. As well, if I do happen to find any deals or discounts, I will put those in the description for you as well. So, starting things off, we have the best folding electric scooter, and that's going to be the Glion Dolly Foldable Commuter electric scooter. Now, this is a great user-friendly option with tons of features. It comes with a 6.6 volt lithium-ion battery, and it can produce a top speed of up to 15 miles per hour with a charge that lasts 3 to 4 hours, which is pretty impressive considering its size. One of the great features here is you can actually fold this scooter upright and push it or pull it like a suitcase with wheels, which means you don't have to carry it, which is fantastic. The battery will last you around 15 miles, but that depends on your average speed. Weighing in at 20 pounds, it's also fairly light to carry, but again, you can push it if needed. Just be aware that this one can be slippery on wet roads, but luckily you have the option, again, to jump off and push it for a while if things do get treacherous. Next up, we have the best off-road electric scooter for adults, and that's going to be the Nanrobot D4 Plus high-speed electric scooter. Now, this one is really neat because it comes with two motors, and both of them are pretty strong at 1,000 watts. With that amount of power, you can go up to 40 miles per hour. It is an off-road unit, but you can also ride it in the city too, and it actually comes with two modes, one of them that only uses one motor while the other uses both. It's also great because even though it's fast and has tons of power, it's still foldable, which means that you can collapse it and take it with you anywhere. It is fairly heavy at 60 pounds, so you might not want to carry it around very often. The tires are great here. They are pneumatic 10-inch models, and they can take on any type of terrain. There's also brakes on both wheels with 6 shock absorbers in total. So if you're looking for a more rugged option with some high speed and you want to get around your city quickly and safely, check out the Nanrobot D4 Plus high-speed electric scooter. Next up, we have the best scooter for climbing hills, and that's going to be the Razor E300 electric scooter. Now, when it comes to electric scooters, Razor is definitely a popular brand, and the reason for this is they're made with good quality materials and have a ton of excellent features. Now, this model is more on their basic side, but it will still get you to where you need to go quickly. It has a max speed of 15 miles per hour, and you can ride it for about 40 minutes without stopping. It also has a larger deck and frame, which allows for a comfortable ride, and it allows you to easily control the speed of the scooter with twist grip acceleration control. It has a rear brake on the handle, which is great so you don't have to press it with your foot. Just note that you probably won't be able to carry this one as it does weigh 43 pounds and can't be folded. But if you're looking for just a basic option to get where you need to go quickly without any of the extra unneeded bells and whistles, then check out the Razor E300 electric scooter. Next up, we have another option from Razor, and this is going to be a great budget option for you, and that's the Razor PowerCore E90 electric scooter. Now, this one is shockingly affordable, but just note that this is a kid's scooter, and it is not to be used for adults. It has a 100-watt motor and produces a top speed of 9 miles per hour. The battery here can last around an hour and a half, which is around 5 miles, which is more than enough for your kid to go to school, the park, or the store and back home. Now, this isn't a foldable unit, but chances are, if it's for your child, they won't be folding it very often anyway. This is a really neat little scooter, and for the price, it's very hard to beat. So if you're looking for something for your child to just putter around on, then definitely check this model out as we think it's a great option for children. Last up, we have the best scooter for kids, and that's going to be the Razor E100 electric scooter. Now, this one has a top speed of 10 miles per hour, which is great because you know your kid's not riding too fast. It also does have twist grip acceleration control on one side and a rear brake on the other, so your children won't have to use their feet to stop. Also, it does feature a wide deck that's wide enough for your kid to stand on with both feet. The battery lasts about 40 minutes, and you can let it charge during the night so your kid can take it to school in the morning. It also does have 2 great color combinations. So if you're looking for a great option for your children, then definitely check out the Razor E100 electric scooter, as we highly recommend it. Anyway guys, if you're looking at diving into the world of electric scooters, hopefully this video was helpful for you in making the right choice. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to drop them below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Also, as I mentioned, I will throw all the links to these products down in the description, so you can check them out there if you're interested. As well, if I do happen to come across any deals, discounts, or coupon codes that might not be available on their website, I'll also throw those in the description for you as well. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you stay safe out there, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.